In today's video, I'll show you how to install a 100% save game for GTA Vice City Next Gen Edition with all missions and content unlocked. Check my video description for this site link. Let's scroll down and select the download option and select download option over here, and it will start downloading. After download done, select this folder icon, right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. And now just minimize this. Go to documents, open the Rockstar Games folder, open the GTA VC, and open the save games. Just drag and drop these two files inside this folder. Just close tab here and launch the game. Select the start option, and as you can see, you can now go anywhere in the map. Everything will be unlocked, and that's how you can install 100% save game for GTA Vice City Next Gen Edition. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.